Hey, what's up ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Car Trend, where horsepower meets heritage. Today, we're diving deep into a beast that has returned from the golden era of muscle, reborn, reimagined, and roaring louder than ever. Yes, we're talking about the legendary Ford Mustang Boss 429, now resurrected for the modern age in its 2026 avatar. Buckle up, because this isn't just a car, it's a legacy on four wheels. The 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 429 was a purebred race car disguised as a street machine, created to homologate Ford's NASCAR ambitions. Its aggressive stance, massive engine, and raw attitude made it one of the most iconic muscle cars in history. Fast forward to 2026, Ford has honored that legacy by creating a modern Boss 429 that doesn't just imitate, it innovates, all while paying tribute to its roots. Under the hood, the new Boss 429 comes alive with a 7.0L naturally aspirated V8 engine, pushing out an earth-shaking 850 horsepower and 780 pound-feet of torque. There's no turbo, no hybrid assist, no EV trickery, just raw, mechanical muscle. This powerhouse is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission for purists, and an optional 10-speed automatic for those who want speed without shifting. The exterior of the 2026 Boss 429 blends retro cues with modern aggression. The classic hood scoop returns, larger and more functional than ever. The body lines are sharp yet nostalgic, echoing the 1970 model's wide stance and muscular profile. The front grille screams vintage Mustang, but it's enhanced with active aerodynamics and modern LED lighting. The rear spoiler and quad exhaust tips round out a design that is both beautiful and brutal. Step inside and you're greeted with a mix of past and present. Recaro-style racing seats with heritage stitching, a fully digital 12.3, customizable gauge cluster, and an intuitive infotainment system that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interior uses premium materials, brushed aluminum, leather, and carbon fiber, blending old-school muscle car vibes with today's tech expectations. The Boss 429 badge is proudly embossed on the dash, reminding you that you're not just in any Mustang, you're in a legend. But the 2026 Boss 429 isn't just about speed in a straight line. Ford's engineers tuned the chassis to perfection. It comes equipped with adaptive MagneRide suspension, Brembo brakes, and a reinforced performance frame that can handle both street and track abuse. Whether you're carving up canyon roads or launching down a drag strip, this Mustang is built to dominate. What makes this version even more special is its exclusivity. Ford has announced that only 2,026 units of the 2026 Boss 429 will be produced globally, each with a unique production number and commemorative plaque. That's not just rare, it's collector grade. If you're a fan of the golden muscle era and crave modern performance, this is a once-in-a-lifetime machine. So there you have it, folks, the return of a true American icon. The 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 429 is a bold salute to the past and a fierce competitor in the present. It's got the heart of a legend, the brain of the future, and the roar of a wild beast. Whether you're a die-hard Mustang fan or just someone who appreciates raw power and design, this car will leave a lasting impression. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Car Trend for more legendary reviews, performance tests, and everything that fuels your automotive passion.